Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Adedoyin Kitchen and More. Today I will be showing you how I make mine or how I cooked my okra soup. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using 2 tomatoes, 2 peppers, and then paprika, and my 2 seasonings here. Crayfish, so ground crayfish. I've already ground it, so I'll be applying it to my stew. Maggi, so I'll be putting a teaspoon of salt. So guys, I'll be putting the peppers. I want to blend it, so I just want to chop it, not real blend like that, just to chop it. So let's start it. So guys, I will be dicing these onions. I want to slice it into smaller pieces, so I'll be using 2 onions for the okra. I want to boil the okra now. I'll first of all boil it before adding it to the stew that I want to make. So this is the okra. I'm boiling the okra now. As you can see, it's inside the water. Boiling it. I'll let it to cook a bit, not real cook, just to cook a bit, to bring the slime out. I want the slimy. Hello guys, look at the okra is bubbling. Look, slimy. Look at it. See it? So I've had oil, red oil, inside the pot now. So I want to start frying the stew for the okra. So I'll first of all add onions to boil a bit or to fry a bit. So I've added it with the red oil, so I have to fry it a bit. So guys, I'll be adding the pepper into it. And the tomato. Then I'll stir it. So now I'll be adding my seasoning cube and the crayfish, everything. I'll be putting everything inside. So I've already added 1 tablespoon of crayfish. 1 tablespoon of crayfish, I've already added it. So I'll be adding my seasoning. This is my seasoning. So I mix everything together now. These are the meat I'll be using. I have goat meat, fish, all this shower. I have everything, dry fish, everything is inside. So I'll be adding the meat, the stock meat, everything inside. I want to pack every damn thing inside. So this water, everything. The soup is cooking now. Then I'll cover it to cook like 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. I'll cover it to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, this is what I want from this soup. Now it's done. I'll be adding the okra into got it. So guys, I've had the okra. So I will not let it to too much boil because I want the slimy stuff. So I should leave it for like 10 minutes now. The slimy will go out of it. But I want the slimy. Look at it. Which type of swallow do you like to eat this with? I like it with eba. Eba. My goodness. So guys, this is the outcome of the okra. You seen it? I like to eat it with eba. This is my eba here. You see it? So I'll be adding my okra to this eba. So come and join me to eat this eba with this okra. Look at it. So come and join me to eat this eba. Look at it. Eba and okra. Look at slimy. Thank you. If you are not subscribed on this channel, please subscribe, thumbs up and comment. I will see you in other videos. Thank you. Bye.